Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Creator, where we explore powerful tools and ideas to help creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs level up in the digital world. Today's video is all about Canva AI, a tool that become way more than just a graphic design platform. We're diving into what Canva AI can really do in 2025, how it's changing the creative workflow, and why it might just replace several tools you're already using. Let's jump right in. These features aim to automate tasks, enhance creativity, and speed up the design process without needing professional skills. So first things first, what is Canva AI? Canva AI is a suite of artificial intelligence features integrated into Canva's design platform. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, a student, or just someone who wants to design faster, Canva AI has tools designed for you. Let's talk about one of the most impressive features: Magic Design. Magic Design uses your content to suggest professional-looking designs that match your needs and style. Just click Customize, and you're good to go. Whether you need social media captions, blog intros, product descriptions, or even YouTube video scripts, Magic Write can help you generate content in seconds. Imagine uploading an image or typing a few words, and Canva instantly generates a ready-to-use design layout for social media, presentations, flyers, or whatever you need. Just give it a prompt, like Instagram caption for coffee shop launch. And boom, instant text suggestions that you can tweak. You no longer have to scroll through hundreds of templates. Perfect for beginners and a huge time saver for pros. Next up, Magic Write. This is Canva's built-in AI writing assistant. You can choose from styles like photo, painting, 3D, and more. There's also background remover for videos, auto captions, and even script generation. It's similar to ChatGPT, but it lives right inside Canva's docs and presentations. It's super helpful if you face writer's block or want to generate ideas fast. Another amazing feature is text-to-image. You type in any prompt like a futuristic city at sunset, and Canva AI generates original images based on your input. For example, change a red apple into a blue one, or turn a laptop into a pizza. This is perfect if you want to use stock photos or can find exactly what you need. The quality has improved massively in 2025. It's now a real competitor to tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, especially since it's built into a design platform. Canva even has AI video tools now. From AI-generated headlines to complete social posts, it keeps everything looking and sounding consistent. You can use Magic Edit to tweak videos or remove and replace objects with AI. Add animations, videos, or voiceovers in minutes. Canva I can write, design, edit, and even imagine content for you. The best part, it's built for everyday users, not just pros. For creators making YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Reels, Canva makes the process smoother and faster, all in one place. You can also turn presentations into videos automatically with slides synced to voiceover and music. Insane, right? If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We've got more AI tools, productivity hacks, and content creator tips coming your way. Need to fix an image or remove something from a photo? Magic Erase lets you remove unwanted objects, just like Photoshop, but easier. And Magic Edit lets you replace parts of an image with something entirely new. It's creative, fun, and perfect for marketers and meme makers alike. No design or photo editing skills, no problem. Canva AI makes complex edits simple. If you run a business or create consistent content, brand voice is your new best friend. Canva learns your tone, colors, fonts, and overall style, and uses that to generate content that matches your brand. And if you need to build presentations fast, just type a topic, and Canva will generate a fully designed slide deck using AI. So what can Canva AI really do? It's no longer just a tool for making posters or Instagram posts. If you haven't explored these features yet, give them a try. They're truly game-changing. Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator. Until next time, stay creative and stay quiet.